Hard work is the key to success. Now that's the line most of our parents had told us for the most of our lives, but they never explain this line. And when you'll ask them about this, they'll be like, don't argue, or they're just gonna scold you to make you remain silent. But they're not gonna tell you the real meaning behind this line. You know why? It's because even they don't know the real meaning behind it. And what they are telling you is not completely true. They tell you this thing because they were taught the same thing when they were young by their parents or their teachers. You see, the perception of hard work is not what we think it is. I mean working for 8 to 10 hours a day without even enjoying doing that work or doing it against your will is not the right thing to do. And it's not gonna help you nor by making you rich or neither it's gonna solve your problems. You are not just working against your will. What you are actually doing is you're crushing yourself little by little, day by day, and in the end, you are gonna die with all the regrets. Now you may think that I'm just bullshitting here because it's not happening to you or you're good with what you are doing and you don't have any regrets. But the fact is, it acts like a slow poison and it's gonna destroy you from inside inch by inch, and you're only gonna realize this when you'll be counting your last breaths. Now let me make myself clear here. I'm not saying that you shouldn't work hard or hard work is not important. What I'm actually saying is to understand what hard work really is. You see, we have created a whole wrong image of hard work in our minds. We think that working more than other people or spending more time on work than others is hard work. Well, of course it's not. It's just working more, not hard. Now, according to me, hard work truly is when you are passionate about doing something, when you can do whatever it takes to achieve something, when you can work for 10, 12 or even 15 hours a day to get something done without even getting bored. And when you are doing it, you are totally in it. You don't care what's happening around you. All you care about is what you are doing. That is hard work. Now, if I have to explain working hard and working more in simple words, I'm just gonna say this. When you are working more, you are spending more time than others and you are doing the work which you are not even enjoying, and you don't want to do that again, and you don't love what you are doing, and when you will be done doing that, you will be tired. But when you are working hard, you are spending maybe less or more time, but when you are doing it, you are totally in it. You can do that thing again and again if you fail. And the most important thing is that you love doing it and you can do it for as long as it takes. So in the end, I just wanna say, first know the real meaning of hard work and then do whatever you want to do, not what other people tells you to do. And don't make yourself run in the rat race. Peace.